In 1.1 miles, prepare to park your car near Westlake Road. You will need to walk to your destination from there.
Walk? I'm not gonna walk. It's too hot to walk. Siri? Siri, what's the temperature? Hey Siri, what is the temperature?
It's about 83 degrees outside.
Oh, it's about? You can't be more specific? Come on. Hey Siri, what is the humidity?
The humidity is currently 53%.
Oh, okay. There you go. 53% humidity. So you got to go through this road that goes through this nice little neighborhood. Oh, this must be it coming right up. Cool. It's really close to town. Well, that wasn't quite it, but it was good to get a little excited, huh? Oh, there it is right there. Yeah. Cool. Nice. It's over to the left. Okay, let's see. We must be driving across the dam right now. Somebody fishing down there on the rocks. That's a little bit too windy, man. Might be too windy to put the drone up. I put it up a while ago, but...
Prepare to park your car. You will need to walk to your destination from there. Arrived.
Oh, I see, okay. We can try it, man. We can try the drone, let's see. Water looks kind of low. This is Guthrie Lake. Water looks a little bit low on it, but they do allow swimming and fishing and all kind of entertainment, so that's cool. I think they made this lake in around 1919 or so, and it's for the water and recreation for the city of Guthrie. They also built another one. It's called Liberty Lake, and we're going to go there in a minute too and check it out. But fairly small, but there's boats out there, kayaks. There's people in kayaks. There's people fishing. So Be nice to live in a town where you have all this conveniently at your fingertips, so to speak. Well, when I first saw this lake, I just thought it was a dinky little lake and, you know, not much to it. When I was driving across that part of the dammed area, it looked like. But when I look at these views, I gained a whole new respect to it because it's a lot bigger than I thought, you know. It stretches out quite a ways there. In fact, I looked it up and it's 2,403 acre feet of area, and the average depth is 22.5 feet, so it's pretty decent. I mean, I don't know how long ago this was when I was doing some research on this lake, but they used to have every Wednesday they had a bass tournament. So I don't know if that was like between Guthrie Lake and Liberty Lake, because Liberty Lake is just like 3 miles away, but every Wednesday they used to have a bass tournament, you know, so that means there's something in it, something in there worthwhile to do that. I don't know if they still have the tournament or not, but that would have been fun to see what all that entailed. But yeah, it looks like there's a lot of good little places. The place on the left right there is where they suggest you go on the road, and that's the area where you could launch your kayaks and stuff. I didn't go to the other side of it, but I did notice that there is a lot of homes and stuff that are built right up to the water and stuff. So a lot of these people got some good views. I don't know how they did that because the lake was made so long ago. I don't know how they got that land to build their homes so close like that, but it's pretty nice, you know. It'd be really nice to wake up in the morning and look out your window and see this lake out there. There's some kayaker. There's two groups of kayakers. There's more than 2 people on there though. There are like 3. Here's the area I parked at. There's a little turn in there and a little park there, and I thought that'd be less intrusive to go drone flying here than, you know, over there where everybody was at. Yeah, there are some people that get upset if they know that somebody's flying a drone. They think that it is invading their privacy and stuff, and you have to respect that if you're a drone pilot, you know. There are certain rules and stuff, and you just got to follow them, and everything will be okay for you. But of course, the good thing is if you just go ahead and get the Part 107 drone license, and then everything, then you'll have gone through enough studying and stuff to know all the rules, or you should, and have that license to do it, you know. And I'm working on it. I'm reading up on that, and eventually I hope to get that license. It is a lot of fun to do. Here's the area that I'm landing now, so you can see where I was at. Little trails and stuff. And there I am. And there's the people in the kayaks. So give you an idea where I was in relation to them. Okay. Walk through here and let's see what it looks like on this other side. But not going to stay here long. I'm going to head out to the other lake. It's called Liberty Lake, and they actually have campgrounds there. So I'm interested to see how good those are. I don't know how many people will be out there since it's a holiday weekend, but it's okay. We'd still check it out, huh? Oh, well, this lake is bigger than I thought. It goes around the corner and goes way down here. The problem, and it's really not a problem to the people that live here, but there's a lot of houses and stuff right at the edge. It's good for them, but you know, if you're gonna be out here for recreation and stuff, and you just have to go to a place that's designated just for that. But yeah, it actually goes way down there and still keeps going around the corner. So yeah, I apologize, Guthrie Lake. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it was. Pretty nice.